How to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. So hey guys, if you also want to see your recent subscribers on your Android device or iOS, then this video is for you. So we will see in this video how you can view your recent subscribers. So the first thing you might want to try is heading onto the YouTube studios and look for some way to find out your recent subscribers. But unfortunately, there is no direct method from the YouTube Studios application itself to do this. So what we're gonna need to do is simply move back and open any web browser of our choice. So in my case, I'm opening Google Chrome, and then head into the search bar and type in for YouTube Studio. Then you will come across this first link. But when you will try to access it, you can see that it is redirecting me to the YouTube Studios application. So in order to solve this particular problem, you need to delete your YouTube Studios application. So simply uninstall the YouTube Studios application and let's try it again. Now if I will click onto this link, here you can see that it is first giving me an option to get the app, and just below it, it is telling me to continue to Studio. So simply click on the continue to Studio, and from here we can access our YouTube Studio from our web browser. Now from here, if you can zoom into these recent subscribers, and you can click onto the see all button, and here you can see all the recent subscribers that you have in your channel for the last 90 days. You can modify it to last 7 days or 28 days according to your wish. So that's how you can view your recent subscribers of YouTube in your Android or iOS device. So if this video helped you, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments whether it worked for you or not, or if you are facing any issues, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.